What's up, everyone? Just tagging everyone for the break right now. Get everyone in here. How we been doing these last few weeks without breaks? I'm sure you guys finding some breaks, but just got back from National. Hell of a show. Yo, what up, Josh? There, all tagged up. Okay, get the phone out so I can read your comments. This is our 4-box break of 2016-17 Studio Basketball. Shrink wrap has been ripped off by Panini so I could get those silver packs, but the boxes are full. That's why you guys got the super low price on it. And I'll have more silver and gold here soon. Sold all mine in like the first hour at the show, so I have more on the way. Let's see, I just gotta find the break here. There it is. Okay, there we are. What's up, guys? Getting ready to get this going. Basketball. Some of you guys won some free teams. Congrats on that for the national giveaway. The rest of you guys bottom, appreciate that. We'll get this going in just a couple minutes. Sorry I had to push this up, but we got some gnar storms. I don't want any lightning strikes or anything while I'm doing the break, so knock out our power potentially. Seems like every big storm we have, the power goes out, so get ahead of that. Yeah, I'll do more basketball. Basketball is the second kind of cards that I like most, next to football. I don't really watch baseball a lot, but I'm into basketball quite a bit. See if we can pull anything sweet out of here. We got one auto and one patch per box. And you get one of the sketch card inserts per box. And then we're going to be looking for those downtown inserts, which are like super rare. I think there's maybe one or two per case. We'll see if we get any. Yo, what's up, Hugh? Buy it all, yeah. Buy so much silver and gold. Yeah, we already did the giveaway, Josh. I don't know if you won it. I don't think you won anything. Maybe you did. Maybe you won a pack or something. I'll go back and check a little after the break. But we'll get this going right now, guys. It'll be a quick little break. You got 10 packs per box, 6 cards a pack, so not too many to get through. Scooch up a little here. Got our team list ready. Let me just put that aside so it's not in our way. Okay, ready to do it. Let's do this first box on the left. And then remember, like I said, there's no shrink wrap, so don't be scared by that. They're full boxes, 10 packs box. That's why you guys are getting the real cheap price on them, about $10 under retail and break-even point for me. So see what we can get here in this first box. Best of luck, first 10 packs. Yeah, there's my team list. All right, guys, here we go. Cards come in all backwards here. Oh yeah, it's all backwards. Avery Bradley, Wade Baldwin the fourth rookie, John Wall, driven insert, Isaiah Thomas, nice base cards, DeAndre Bembry, rookie, Harrison Barnes, first pack. Some of you guys won some free packs as well. If you were in the break, those will go out with your shipments here. Stanley Johnson, Isaiah Thomas, Chauncey Billups, rising to the occasion, studio insert. Top 5. Looks like multiple guys on here. Dario Saric, Malcolm Brogdon, Jamal Murray, Brandon Ingram, and Jaylen Brown. I guess. I think Jamal Murray is the main card. So yeah, it's gonna go to the Nuggets on that one. It's a top 5 set. This one is the Jamal one. Jamal Murray, Nuggets. Haven't seen one of those yet. So yeah, that one will go to the Nuggets. You got Giannis and rookie of Domantas Sabonis. Okay, next pack. Yeah, I'll rip yours live, Jake, your pack. I just got to see which one is yours. I have them numbered, and then however the order was. Oh, we got an auto there. We'll set him back there, and maybe we don't see it yet, but Andre Iguodala, Zach Randolph, Dejounte Murray rookie, Kareem, Emmanuel Mudiay, and then the auto for the Trailblazers, Evan Turner autograph out of number 4 out of 165. Portland Trailblazers. Let's see who that is. That's Josh is getting that one. Josh Dietrich getting that one. Evan Turner at a 165 autograph. So first hit going to Josh. Kid Gilchrist, Carmelo Anthony, George Hill, insert, Isaiah Thomas, KD, Drazen Petrovic. Next pack, thick one, usually a lot of bumpers in here. Yeah, it looks like a bumper. Yep, just a bumper card. Kid Gilchrist again, Drummond, Alfred Payton, driven insert. There's the bumper. Kemba Walker, Wade Baldwin the fourth rookie. D Rose for the Knicks base card. Yeah, Jake gave you some nice steals there. You got some sweet stuff from him there at the National, Chris. I know Jake appreciates it. Steph Curry, Jacob Politol, rookie. Poltl. Dr. J, Defying Gravity insert, die cut. Bill Russell, Dwight Howard, and Patrick McCaw, Golden State rookie. Okay, still looking for that patch card, and we're looking for the sketch insert. Be cool. See if we get a downtown insert in these 4 boxes. That'd be nice. Cousins, Tony Parker, Karl Anthony Towns, driven insert. Juan Herman Gomez, rookie. Tyson Chandler, Steven Adams, base. 3 more packs. Box number 1. Oladipo, Malik Beasley, rookie. Jordan Clarkson, Lakers insert. DeRozan, Gordon Hayward, and nice Jaylen Brown, rookie card. 2 more packs. This one feels like this should have a patch in it. Yeah, there's a big thick patch in here. Let's see what we get. Cover that up for a sec. Keep that nice and blocked. There we go. Harden. I didn't see it either. I like to be surprised as well, so I don't even want to show it to myself yet. Karl Malone. AI. Base cards. Thon Maker. It's a Bucks rookie. Anthony Davis. And our hit card. Nice 11 out of 15. Damian Lillard. Another Blazers. Blazers box. 2-color. Let's see if that's game used. Check it out in a second. Yep, game worn material. So this was a Blazers box. 2 Blazers hits. Josh getting 2 nice hits. 11 out of 15. So one more pack. Should be our sketch insert in here. It's got another bumper maybe. Yeah, I think we got the sketch. Yep. Ooh, that's a nice one for the sketch insert for the Bucks. And Tinkempo, or however you say it. I'm pretty sure I'm way off on that, but Giannis. Nice insert there for the Bucks. Going to Jake. Birthday luck? Oh, happy birthday, Josh. Happy birthday, brother. Tony Parker. There's Brogdon. Got some Bucks rolling here now. Bumper card. Marc Gasol. Stockton and Aaron Gordon. That's box number 1. Let's roll on to box number 2. Next 10 packs. Antetokounmpo, yeah. I knew I was missing one syllable there. I usually say Antetokounmpo, so I missed them. Antetokounmpo. I'm not even gonna try it. I'll practice some other time. Peyton, Alfred Payton, Steph Curry, Kemba Walker, Greg Monroe. Looks like we have got a patch card there. Torian Prince rookie, Greg Monroe, Bucks base. And you got a patch, fresh or first impact, DeAndre Murray for the Spurs, patch card, jersey card. Player worn, so I don't know if this was a rookie. First impact. Dejounte Murray. I think he might be his second year. Doesn't say RC on it, but it's player worn, so maybe it's like a rookie premier type deal. Guard for the Spurs. Team list drop. Just want to see who had the Spurs real quick. Josh again. Here you go, Josh. Birthday magic for you. The birthday mojo. Get this other box out of here. Josh has it all so far with those Trailblazers hits and then that one. So there's our sketch card, our 1 per box sketch insert is in there. Lowry, LeBron, Melo. Ooh, and then the LeBron is the sketch one. So the Cavs getting a nice LeBron sketch insert. Going to the Cavs. Jason Gendron getting that one. Here you go, Jason. Nice little insert for you there. Let's see if that one's numbered. No. Thought there's maybe a little bit of extra color on it, but they're all just short printed. 1 per box. Brandon Ingram rookie. And Corver base. Yeah, nice LeBron there, Jason. Pretty sweet. Those inserts go pretty well on eBay. I opened a box for myself and got the Malachi Richardson, rookie. This is going pretty decent. Definitely more than I expected for sure. Dragon Bender, rookie. DeRozan. Kemba Walker, insert. Kobe. Dwight Howard. Oscar Robertson. More of that acetate style base right there. They're a little bit different than that paper base in there. Peyton, Willie Cauley-Stein, Lillard, insert, Olajuwon, Petrovic, Malik Beasley, rookie for the Nuggets. Looking for our auto in this box. We got the insert and we got the patch. So, of course, we want a downtown. Definitely want to see a downtown insert here. Would be nice. Oh, there's the auto. Get this other base up on top. Isaiah Whitehead, rookie. Kyrie. Hernan Gomez, rookie. Valentine. Kevin Love, and auto. 16 out of 299, Kyle Wiltjer for the Houston Rockets. Breakout signatures. So maybe second year guy, doesn't say rookie. Forward for the Rockets. Let's see. Zeke Thomas getting the Kyle Wiltjer at a 299. Zeke's grabbing it. Okay, so we got the hits. Now we'll just see if we can get some nice rookies and stuff here. Maybe some numbered cards. There's not a ton of numbers in these sets, I've noticed. But usually when you get them, it's pretty low numbered. Valanciunas, CJ McCollum. That's a little bit different foil there than most of the other base. You can see it's got a little extra color to it. Steph Curry, Patrick Ewing, Jahlil Okafor, Tyson Chandler. Yeah, 4 packs left in this one. Buddy Hield, Lillard, James Harden driven. It's like a bumper card. DeRozan, Towns, Irving. Die cut here. Russell Westbrook Defying Gravity die cut. Marcus Aldridge, Marquise Chris rookie. Dirk, Harrison Barnes, Mailman. Cody Zeller, Millsap, Anthony Towns, insert, Stockton, Gordon, Magic. One more pack in box 2. See a numbered here. See a downtown insert. Give us like a Isaiah Thomas downtown insert or something. No, looks like just a driven one. Brook Lopez, Schroeder, Lillard driven, Wade Baldwin rookie, AI, Bill Russell. So that's box number 2. On to box number 3. Here we go. Good luck, guys. It's like another Russell Wilson die cut there. Oscar Robertson, Andre Drummond, Pascal Siakam, rookie. Yep, another Russell Westbrook Defying Gravity insert. Horford. Mike Conley. Big old pack right here. Could be just a bumper. But hopefully a nice low numbered patch. No, it looks like a bumper. Usually when they're super thick like that, then you get that multicolored patch, but guess not. Paul George, Eric Gordon, Jaylen Brown rookie. Bumper card. Kyle Lowry, Malik Beasley rookie, and Clyde Drexler. Draymond Green, Rudy Gay, Russell Westbrook, D. Wade, Justice Winslow, Harrison Barnes, all base cards. Except for the one insert there. No rookies. See a nice legend auto in here. That'd be cool. Definitely stacked with big autos. I'd like to see one. Kyrie, Dirk, Steph, Dr. J, Petrovic, Mudway. Oh, there's a patch card in there. Damn team list. That damn team list. There we go. Tyson Chandler. Isaiah Whitehead rookie. KD. Stanley Johnson. These are both base, and then the patch is right behind. Let's just check out the patch. For the 76ers, Justin Anderson jersey card. Not seeing a number on the front. Nope, no number on the back either. Game worn material. I believe Jake got the 76ers. Yep, sure did. Justin Anderson game worn jersey card for Jake. Let's see what these other guys are. George Hill, Stanley Johnson base. Yeah, right team, wrong guy. Want that Embiid, I bet. Or Simmons, definitely. Oh, looks like we got the... Could be the sketch insert there. That could be a nice sketch insert if I saw that name correctly. Let me just bring these other base cards up. Herman Gomez, rookie. Patrick McCaw, rookie. D. Rose, Isaiah Thomas, Avery Bradley, Malcolm Brogdon. Oh, that's a nice rookie insert for Brogdon there, bro. For Jake. Very nice. Those inserts do real well if you got a nice rookie. Malcolm Brogdon studio sketch insert. Yeah, Brogdon, there you go. Pretty sweet. Yep. Rookie O of the year. That's a nice insert for you, Jake. That was just the bumper. Four more packs in this box. Looking for that other auto, or the other hit auto. Baldwin IV rookie. D. Rose, C.J. McCollum, Karl Malone, DeRozan, Dwight Howard. Yeah, Brogdon's nice, dude. My Malachi Richardson. Oh, something weird I've never seen in here. Save him for the last. I don't know if that's our downtown insert, maybe? Could be. Never seen one of these. Might just be getting our hopes up, but who knows. James Harden. Kobe. Let's just set this that one insert on top of this so I can flip these over. Deontay Murray, rookie. Paul George. We got Isaiah Thomas insert on top of this next card. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Rock solid. So rock hard, bro. LeBron James die cut. I don't know. I haven't seen any of these. I don't know if that's like super special or not. I haven't seen any ever pulled personally. I'll sleeve it up just in case that's like real short printed or something. I have one box left of this, Josh, that also has the wrapper ripped off. I have one left if someone wants that. I'll just let it go cheap. Like $70 I'll let it go for. Go for 80 all day online, so cut you a deal since the wrapper's off. Yeah, it's just, oh yeah, you got LeBron too, that's right, Jason. I forgot you had Cavs. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Take a look online, Jason. I don't know. Oh, we got a cool auto there. I'll just set it right there. DeAndre Bembry, rookie. Marc Gasol, LeBron, Thaddeus Young, Porzingis. And then let's see our auto here. Got a nice one. Let's see if I can even grab it. Scottie Pippen. Nice. 3 out of 15 autograph. All on sticker. Sticker didn't come off. Or the ink didn't come off sticker at all. Nice Bulls card here. Chicago Bulls Zeke Thomas. Grats, buddy. Nice Scottie auto out of 15. 3 out of 15. There you go, Zeke. Nice hit for you. Okay, one more pack left in here. Not expecting any more hits or inserts unless we get lucky with that downtown action, because those could just pop up anywhere. You never know. Yeah, that was a nice Scotty. DeAndre Bembry. Yeah, he doesn't sign a ton. So Gallinari, Blake Griffin, Isaiah Thomas. Or if he does sign, you got to get him at a big show, and then it costs like $150. Dragan Bender, rookie. Excuse me. Elfrid Payton. Steph Curry base. Okay, so one more box left. Last 10 packs. Last 2 hits. Last inserts. It's been a cool little break. I like this stuff. Very nice looking base. And all those inserts actually do really well online, I've been noticing. If you guys are into that kind of stuff. Of course, Jake picked up a bunch of stuff for his PC. Got his Bucks. Clyde Drexler. Gravity insert. Or die cut. Gasol. Andre Drummond. Magic Johnson. DeMontis Sabonis rookie. Hakeem Olajuwon. Steph Curry. Rodney Hood. Lillard. Harrison Barnes. John Stockton. Eric Gordon. Henry Ellenson. Giannis. I don't even want to try to mess that up again. DeMar DeRozan. I think I have it now. I just got to say it a couple times, and I'll be able to say it live on air without embarrassing myself. Parker. Patrick McCaw, rookie. Dirk Nowitzki. Yeah, I like that Scotty auto. Usually he goes, ooh, there's our next hit. Cover it up so we don't see it right away. D Rose, Durant, Malik Beasley rookie, Kawhi, Jacob Poeltl, And our next hit looks to be a patch. Dennis Schroeder for the Hawks. Atlanta Hawks. Game worn material. Starting guard. Atlanta. I think Jake might have this Atlanta. I can't remember. Nope, TJ's got him. Little two-color pattern there, pattern patch. Schroeder. Okay, one patch down. Looking for our auto, and we're looking for our sketch insert. Let's see if we can get lucky with a downtown insert in here. Might be cool. Oh, there's our got our insert, our sketch insert in this pack. Bumper card. Chris Paul, Drazen Petrovic, Podol. Another nice rookie one. Dragan Bender studio sketch card insert for the Suns, Phoenix Suns. At them boys. Dem Phoenix Suns. Dan Marks got it. Yep. Dan's got that one. Dragan Bender rookie studio sketch insert. Draymond Green, Malik Beasley rookie. Anthony Davis, Tony Parker, LeBron James, Andre Drummond, Pascal Siakam, Malachi Richardson, both rookies, those last two. 3 more packs, looking for that auto, last auto. Oh, there it is. That was fast enough so I didn't reveal it right away. Let's get this other base up on top. I didn't see it, so. Drummond, Herman Gomez rookie, Shaq, Kemba Walker. There's a Ben Simmons rookie finally. 76ers and Willie Herman Gomez rookie autograph out of 299 for the Knicks. That's going to Jake. He's pretty good, I think. Did the Celtics get him? No. I don't think so. At a 299 forward for the Knicks. Pretty crappy looking auto. Oh, you got Suns? You got Suns, Jake? Oh yeah, you did. My bad, Dan. You have Jazz right above Suns. I was looking at it at an angle. Sorry about that, guys. Yep, Jake got that Suns insert. I was looking at it from kind of far away angle. I lined up the names wrong. Sorry for the confusion. Sorry to get your hopes up, Dan. Last 2 packs here. Jeremy Lin, Andre Drummond, Antavius Caldwell-Pope, Pascal Siakam, Marquise Chris rookies, Jahlil Okafor. Okay, last pack. Not expecting any hits or anything, but maybe we'll get lucky. Still no numbered. Didn't see one numbered card in that whole 4-box set there. Yeah, you got a bumper. There's some backward stuff. Oladipo, Aaron Gordon, Josh Richardson, Emmanuel Mudiay, Wiggins, Russell Westbrook. That's the last of them. Do a little hit recap here. I have no hopes. Yeah, my bad, Dan, getting your hopes up there. No hopes. Just stay even with 0 hopes. Do a little hit recap, and if anyone wants my I have 1 full box left. I would let go for 70. Shipped or ripped. of this stuff. Here, I'll grab it real quick so you can see I got it. Got this last one here in case anyone wants it. I'll do a hit recap. Willie Herman Gomez at a 299 auto, rookie. Dragan Bender, studio insert. Dennis Schroeder, game worn patch. Beast Scottie Pippen at a 15, very nice auto there. LeBron Rock solid insert. Don't know if those are super limited, but it's the only one we saw in those 4 boxes, so very nice. Brogdon rookie insert sketch. Justin Anderson 76ers game worn. Kyle Wiltjer Rockets at a 299. LeBron sketch insert, pretty sweet. Deontay Murray patch, not game worn. Antetokounmpo almost. Sketch insert, very nice card there too. Lillard at a 15 game worn, 2 color. And then Evan Turner at a 165 autograph. So pretty nice set of boxes there. So again, if anyone wants this last box, it's a full box there. 10 packs, 2 hits. Let it go for 70 if anyone wants it. That's $10 under retail price. That's exactly what I spent for it. So let me know if anyone wants it shipped or ripped live. Oh, let me just check the giveaways real quick, and I'll open your guys' pack, or open Jake's pack. Let's see who won that real quick. I'll just pull that up. See what pack Jake gets, and I'll rip it for him. I think he gets like the second or something. I got them all marked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. National giveaway. So 1 second, guys. Want to see what the order is of packs, because I got them kind of ordered up here. Okay, so starts at number 4, goes to number 8. 5 different packs. Jake gets the last one, so he gets pack number 5. We'll open that for him. There's pack number 5 right here. And if anyone else is in that won the packs, let's see. Oh, no one else is in the breaks that won the packs, so we'll just send out those packs to them. All good. Open up Jake's here. See if he can get anything cool to add on. So here's Jake's freebie pack from the national giveaway. Pack number 5. Best of luck, Jake. Oh my god, LeBron James auto. No, don't think so. That'd be sweet though. Cousins, Parker, Steve Nash, Larry Bird. One second, guys. Hold on. Little distraction there. Someone interfering with my break process. Leave me alone, roommate. So Kyrie, Patrick Ewing. So nothing special in there, all base, no rookies. For you, Jake, I'll put that in the pack we just ripped for you. Okay, guys. Break's all done. If anyone's interested in that last box, $70 ripped or shipped. Your choice. Let me know. I'll sell it quick on another group if I don't sell it here, so get at me. We'll have a bunch of silver and gold breaks, or silver packs and gold packs from the National coming here soon. Just waiting for my shipment to come in. I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, thanks for joining. Take it easy.